So we're here on the Sportsman gear site. Good brand, outdoor brand, a lot of awesome products. One quick win for a lot of brands with a lot of products like this is collection quizzes. So if you were to go to a collection, let's say Gator Waders here, a lot of products to choose from. A product quiz would help a customer answer a few questions to pick a product. So it usually goes at the top of the collection page here. Customers can click it. They get asked a few questions and then they get recommendations. So that's one place you could use it. But the other big opportunity for you guys especially is Sportsman has a really strong social presence here. I saw that you also have a presence on Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. If they're all big, then that's a huge opportunity. But for this example, we'll go ahead and use Instagram. So on Instagram, you have almost 75,000 followers. That's huge. One way to really drive sales from social, since it's typically hard to convert, is to, anytime you show a product, like here, for example, you're showing shorts, you can talk about the shorts. You can say, hey, find your perfect summer shorts here. Check out our quiz, right? And you can link the quiz in your bio here on Instagram, or you can actually put it in the post on Facebook. Every social network's different. But if you can encourage your followers to take a quiz with the product that you're showing, that gives you an opportunity to drive sales, drive product discovery, collect opt-ins, things like that. So I'll use shorts as an example here, since there's a few good options to choose from. So I imported some of these shorts as demos to this demo site here. So we'll go ahead and create a quiz. We will pick a few of these shorts as an example here. And what this will do is it'll look at the products that we chose and use AI to generate an example title just to get you started. So you can write your own title here, or you can choose from one of these suggestions. So we'll go find your perfect summer shorts. We'll go with that one. I'll hit generate quiz. So what this does is it looks at the products that we chose and it figures out what are the fewest best questions I can ask a customer to help give them an accurate recommendation. So it'll generate a quiz with a few questions. It'll generate recommendations. When they go through the quiz, it'll give them a top recommendation with a reason why, and also some secondary things they may also be interested in, kind of runner-up recommendations for those shorts. So this usually takes about 20 seconds. As you can see, we're already done here. If I were to put this on the store, I would copy this code here and I can add it as a block. This is best if you actually want it on your store, and it'll automatically match your theme. But for social, we typically recommend using the pop link. This is just a little social link that you can kind of put anywhere. So we'll go ahead and see what this preview looks like. So I'll open this. This is the quiz that it gave me based on the products. So I'll go with 7-inch inseam. I want quick dry, built-in underwear. Why not? How many pockets? We'll go 2 to 3 pockets. Sun protection. We'll go 30. Elastic waistband. And then the cool thing here is if I were to enter this is the test site, so I'll just put in some test info. But if I were to put in my info here, what it does is it saves this opt-in with all of my preferences, which I'll show you in a second. And that allows you to kind of understand what your customers actually like. So I'll click show my results. All right, so this is my top recommendation. It tells me why it recommended it with some runner-up recommendations here. Now, if I were to add this to cart, if I were to buy it, it tracks all that conversion, add to cart, engagement, submission data for me. So here's something cool. Let's go here. If I had, a bunch of data, all my analytics would show here. But what I want to show you is the submission data. So here's my submission that we just did together. I'll open this up. Now this is just a Shopify customer profile. So that quiz saves all the data to this customer profile. So these are all my answers. And the useful thing here is that if you use, email marketing and drive a lot of your revenue, like Klaviyo or some other email marketing platform, you can use all these tags for segmentation or for personalization. You can say, hey, so-and-so, I saw that you looked at X, or that you like Y. You can segment people by this if you have a new product launch, but it really gives you a lot of rich data to start segmenting your customers. Now, this is just one quiz, so you can imagine the kind of the progressive enrichment that you get over time as people answer more and more quizzes. You'll get a better and better picture of kind of what they want. So that's pretty powerful. And it's especially powerful is because most of your social followers, you don't really know who they are. It's hard to convert them, things like that. But by kind of doing these fun little quizzes, you can even run giveaways. So if you enter the quiz, you get entered to win something. You kind of pull these people from your social channels onto your email list where it's easier to convert them. So wanted to keep it short, but just some quick ideas on what you could try. Again, all this is available on our free plan for Pop Smash. So I recommend you go to the Shopify App Store and install Pop Smash and try it out. See how the quizzes work for you. Just do some testing. In marketing, it's hard to know what'll work. So just test a bunch of things. Test them on different social networks, test giveaways, test quizzes with posts. Again, it takes just a minute to create them, as you saw. And if you can drive some incremental sales, that's great. If you have any questions, hit me up. I'm always happy to help.